In today's video, I'll show you how to record a screen in your Android phone. So at first, if I swipe down, in some Android phones, you can get built-in screen recorder option in your phone. But if you don't have it, just go back and then open up Google Play Store. Then go to search bar and then search for screen recorder. Then just tap here and then swipe down. Download the first one, it's X Recorder. Then tap on install, give it a moment. You can see it's complete. Now just go back and then open it. Just close the window. Then enable this permission. Then just enable this option and then go back. Then tap on allow to get notifications. Now it's ready for use. Now you have to just go to settings option. Then go to audio settings. And from here you can select your audio settings. You can choose microphone, internal audio and internal and microphone. Now I am just selecting internal and microphone. Then just give allow and then go back. Then tap on video. Now it's ready for use. Now just close the app and here you can find a floating icon which you can use to start or stop screen recording. So if you tap here and then tap on this start button, then tap on share screen. And that's it. You can see it's starting now. Now my screen is recording mode. If you want to stop it, just tap here again. Then tap on stop button. And it's saved successfully. Now just open up your gallery to find your recorded video. And here it is. And that is how you can record screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.